To celebrate my husband's birthday, we decided to take a cruise through Amsterdam's beautiful canals. Our meeting and drop-off point is at single 250, right in the heart of the city. Once we boarded the boat, the hostess warmly welcomed us and offered some drinks and small bites to start the evening. The cruise departs at 6:30 p.m. and finishes at 9:15 p.m., giving us a relaxing for an almost 3-hour journey through the picturesque canals. During the ride, we enjoyed a freshly made dinner in a setting that's classic yet romantic. Although it's not a traditional guided tour, the captain shared plenty of interesting stories and facts, making the experience even more memorable. But what I really like about this cruise is that it felt private and peaceful. It wasn't noisy at all, so we could truly enjoy our dinner and the stunning views. We had such a great time that we'll definitely do this again next time, maybe even in winter for a change.
Yeah. Are you talking about Amsterdam or Amsterdam? I don't know.
Happy birthday!
did feel my break. Just a tiny bit.